Hello guys, hope you are doing extremely well. I welcome you back in this another video of Leetcode problem of the day, and today's problem is reverse substrings between each pair of parentheses. I hope that you have read the problem. So jumping on to the explanation part, as its name suggests, we have to reverse the substrings which is present between the pair of parentheses. And let me take example from here. It is opening bracket ed, opening parenthesis ed, then again opening parenthesis et, then again opening parenthesis and OC. After that, two closing parentheses are there, then EL, then one more closing parenthesis. Like this, we'll get input like this, and we have to reverse the string which is present between the pair of parentheses. We'll start from the innermost one. It is given here. Reverse the string starting from the innermost one. Here we can easily see that this pair is the innermost pair of parentheses. So we'll simply reverse the string present in this pair of parentheses. It will become CO, and all other characters will remain as it is. ED, ET, and this bracket, closing bracket, this I have removed this pair, for which I have reversed the string present inside it, and this EL and closing bracket will remain as it is. After this is the innermost parenthesis pair. So we'll again do the same thing. We'll reverse the string present inside it, starting from the last character will come first, then the second last, that is C, then T, then E, then EL. now we are remaining only with the one pair of parentheses that is containing the whole string. So here I will reverse the whole string like this, and I will get my answer which I have to return. So here I have performed operation 3 times. First time here, second time here, third time here, because there are 3 pairs of parentheses present here. Now how I reached to the approach of this problem. See, why seeing the brackets and reversing operation, use of stack comes in my mind. We know that stack can be very useful by keeping track of these brackets, the pair of brackets, because always for opening bracket there will be a closing bracket after it. We can easily manage with the help of stack. We'll simply put inside all the character inside it. When we'll get closing bracket, then we surely know that before it our opening bracket is present, and we'll search for that opening bracket. We'll keep on removing all the characters, and when we'll get the corresponding its pair of opening bracket, then whatever character present between them, we will simply reverse them. We'll place them again inside the stack, so that when I will remove later at the end, then they will come in the reversed order. Alright. So I have tried this approach and it worked. Let me explain you with this example. I will create a stack like this, and in this stack I will start traversing the given input string from starting, and I will insert each and everything inside the stack. So first I will encounter opening bracket. I am writing here OB because I don't want the confusion with the C and these brackets. So I have written OB, then I will get E, I will put it, then D, then again opening bracket, then E, T, then opening bracket, then O, C, then closing bracket. So whenever I see closing bracket, I know that I will go back till opening bracket and reverse the string. So I will go back till here. I will remove all this. I will remove this C, O and opening bracket. I will remove CO, and I will again put after removing the opening bracket, because I know that I have encountered its closing part, brackets closing part. So I will remove both of them. I will not include this. I will simply remove this and put it back the characters in my stack. How? So in the order which in which I will remove them, in the same order I will put back inside our stack. So C, I have removed C first, then O. So C will come here first, then O, and you will know later that why I have done this in this order. Now again, let us continue our traversal of the string. I was here, then again I get one closing bracket. So I will remove the characters till I will go back in my stack and remove the characters till I again get a opening bracket. So O will be removed, then C, then T, then E, and then this opening bracket will come. I will remove this also opening bracket. Now again I will put them back in the same order which was removed first. I have placed it uh, in the starting, and which was removed from the stack at the last. It is now at the top. Now after processing these two closing brackets, then again I will get this E, I will place here, then again this L I will place here. Now I again reached this closing bracket. Now again, as we have done two times before, similarly I am going to remove all the characters L, E, E, T, C, O, D, E till I find a opening bracket which is at the starting. So for this bracket all will be removed, opening bracket will also be removed from the stack, then again I will put them back from here, L, E, E, T, C, O, D, E. Now you can see that we have the characters in the order in which it is required, as it is required in the answer starting from here. So we can simply, starting from here, sorry, it is E, it is not L, it is E. So we'll simply remove E, D, O, C, T, E, E, L, and it will be we will get the string in this order, because we will remove from the top. We will remove the elements from this stack from the top, and we will get in this order. If you notice that our answer is just reverse of this, what we are getting by removing each character from this stack. So we at the end, whatever string we get, we will reverse it and we will reach our answer. So you might have understood something. Let's recall that what we have done. We are just putting everything in the stack from the starting, and why we are using stack, so that we can keep track of opening and closing bracket. We will know that for this opening closing bracket we have to remove this opening bracket, and we will simply reverse whatever is present inside that. We will reverse that. How reversal is happened? Because we haven't done anything. So reversal has happened on its own, because we are using stack here. We have placed the characters back into our stack in such a way that when we are removing them, they are already reversed. So I have told you the previously that we are whatever we are removing from the stack, we are placing them in the same order. Whatever comes first will go back in the first will go back first in the stack. So reversal will automatically happen. Now we have understood the approach. Now let's try to code it with the same approach. First of all, we'll determine length of this string with the length function, and after that we'll traverse, as we have discussed, we will traverse from starting till end of this string. and we will maintain a stack here, stack of characters. Let's name it st. So in stack, while putting every character in the stack, for what we are searching every time, we are searching if there is closing bracket or not. So here I am creating a variable with name current. It is representing the character on which we are currently present, and it will be s of I. Now if this current character is not equal to closing bracket, closing parenthesis, then we are good to put that inside our stack st. So st dot push back current character. Else, in else case, we know that surely the current character is closing parenthesis, because it will come in this else, the control will come in else only if this is closing, the current character is closing bracket. Now we know that currently we are on closing bracket, so we will search for the opening bracket, its opening bracket, which is present already in our stack before it. So what we'll do, we'll maintain a queue inside it of characters temp. Now you may ask here why I am using this queue. So I am using this queue because whatever characters we will remove from our st stack, will temporarily store them inside this queue. Why queue only? Because I have told you while explanation that whatever we are removing from the stack, in the same order we will put it inside the stack. Which character comes first will go first inside, again inside the stack. So that is the property of the queue. We know that first in first out happens in queue, so we are using here queue. Now we will search our stack st dot top character is not opening bracket. Till that point I will push all the things, all the characters in my temporary queue st dot top, like this, whatever is placed, and I will keep on removing the character which I have already placed in my queue. Now when we will come out of this while loop, the current top element from the stack will be the opening bracket. We have to remove this also. Now after removing this, we'll put all the characters back into our original stack, like this. While temp dot empty, while our queue is not empty, we'll put in our stack whatever is in front of the queue. So how we'll get front of the queue? Like this, queue's name dot front function. Then we'll remove the element that is present in queue's front, like this. Sorry, temp dot pop. All right. After this, I have already put all the characters back in our original stack and removed the opening bracket. So after this for loop, where for loop ends, I will get the answer in my stack. Now creating answer from the characters present in the original stack. So I am creating one string variable answer. In this I will store my final answer. I will running here a while loop for extracting each character from the st stack and putting that back into my answer string. So while it is not empty, I am again and again I will remove one element from the top of the stack and add it inside my answer like this. Answer plus equals st dot top, then st dot pop. I will remove, after adding I will remove that from stack, so eventually it will become empty and I will come out of this while loop. Now I will reverse my string, and you know the reason we have discussed how I'm going to reverse it by using this reverse function, answer dot begin till answer dot and like this, and at the end I will simply return my answer. Now this is it, this is the whole code, and if I have not made any mistake it should work, but I have made. Sorry, so here I have to only do push. Yes, the given test cases are running fine. Now trying to submit it. It is submitted successfully. Hope you understood the concept. If you are liking my videos, you can subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.